welcome to Green Gander 75. I'm Buddy. So today we're going to do a quick shop update. So I always like to do at least a little bit of shop content in every video I do. So first off in the update, we're going to switch over to the lathe, and we're going to show putting on the back plate on the apron and the gasket that I used for that. So let's go ahead and watch that. One of the last things I got to do on this apron is to make a gasket here, and then it will be finished. I was unable to get a new gasket for this, so we're going to be using a RTV gasket maker, specifically made for gear oil by Permatex. Never used it before. I have used Permatex products, and they work pretty good for me, so let's see what happens. Okay, just making sure we get around each one of the bolt holes. So we're just going to snug these down, not all the way tight. We'll come back in an hour, and then we'll go ahead and tighten them the rest of the way down. Give the Permatex time to make a good seal. And that is per instructions on the back. Alright, well, we'll come back in an hour and tighten those down, and hopefully we'll have a good, nice gasket. Okay, so that gasket material has been sitting now for several hours, so we can go ahead and tighten down the screws. Alright, well that finishes up the apron. We'll go ahead and put it on the shelf. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that. So, a couple things on the channel I wanted to bring up. And first off, we're gonna change the date that I post the videos from Mondays to Wednesday. It seems to me that we get better response when we post videos on Wednesdays, and so that means you know, reaching out to more people and all. And so I think we're going to go ahead and change that to Wednesdays, and that also gives me a little more time to produce and produce these videos for y'all. And what I've found is often over the weekend my work schedule gets in the way, and as you probably noticed the last couple of weeks, I've been running late getting my videos posted. So changing to Wednesdays should help reach more people, and that should also help give me a little more time to produce these videos. So I hope you don't mind that change. The other thing is coming up here, I believe it'll be the next, not the next video, but the video after that, we'll be switching gears a little bit. And you'll notice over my shoulder the camper behind me. We've got to work on that camper to repair the bunk ends, and that way we can get out there and start using it this summer. So we're going to be switching gears on that, and I've got a pretty good idea on how to fix that, so hopefully that works out and I can share it with y'all. Want to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. Today is 4th of July 2016, so I want to wish everybody a happy, healthy, and safe 4th of July. So I guess that's all for today, and y'all have a good evening.